Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare HMB versus Leucine, two popular supplements for muscle support. We will explore their unique roles and how they contribute to your fitness goals. Leucine is an essential amino acid, meaning your body cannot produce it, and it is crucial for building muscle. HMB, on the other hand, is a compound your body naturally makes from leucine, primarily known for its anti-catabolic effects. Understanding their differences can help you choose the right supplement. Leucine is often considered the most important branch-chain amino acid for muscle building. It acts as a powerful signal, directly activating the mTOR pathway, which is essential for initiating muscle protein synthesis. This means leucine effectively tells your muscles to grow and repair after exercise. To maximize these benefits, aim for about 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal, especially around your workouts. HMB offers distinct advantages, mainly focusing on preventing muscle breakdown, which is crucial during periods of intense training or calorie restriction. By reducing muscle damage, HMB can accelerate recovery and help preserve lean muscle mass. Studies suggest that HMB can also enhance strength and body composition, especially for those new to rigorous exercise. For best effects, a daily intake of 3 grams is commonly recommended. So, which one is better? Leucine excels at directly triggering muscle growth, making it ideal for maximizing protein synthesis. HMB, however, shines in its ability to minimize muscle breakdown and enhance recovery, particularly beneficial during demanding training phases. Many athletes might consider using both for comprehensive muscle support. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you on your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.